The objective of the Florida Marine Ecosystem Field Study was to create site markers for 4 shipwrecks that can be utilized by captains and divers as an educational tool. After we collected the various information from the wreck sites, we compiled it into presentations and site markers. We practiced the presentations and refined the site markers before giving a final presentation to the Divers Association. We hope that the information we collected and the site markers that were produced would be used on the dive boats to inform both captains and divers of the historical importance of these wrecks. Once the presentations were given, we were all relieved that the Divers Association was impressed with our work.
During our week, we created site markers for the Divers Association. We made a total of 4 site markers for the 4 sites that we visited. Each day, a new group was responsible for gathering information for a site marker. Essentially, each group was in charge of deciding what content they would need for their card and assigning groups to collect the data. Teams used surveying tape, seamstress tape, and clipboards to measure parts of the wreck sites. We were also responsible for mapping a basic sketch of the wreck as well as its orientation.
In order to complete the site cards, we had to take note of what fauna and flora were present at each shipwreck. For each species, we took notes on variations in size, frequency, and location. Thanks to our work, someone that would use the site card would know exactly what type of fish were present at each shipwreck and where to find them.
We met with 3 experts. One of them talked to us about coral reefs. The other informed us about prehistoric archaeology. And we also had an expert talk to us about mammals. We used the information we learned to help us do the research for the site cards.
First and foremost, because it's a fabulous opportunity to teach and to do so in a enjoyable and exciting way that shows young people different opportunities, different career choices, and not everybody's going to go and become a marine scientist, but lots of folks will walk away with having enjoyed the experience and, better yet, understanding what stewardship means, and that's important to everybody.